Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Elementary 25 Office Party. In this lesson, we'll find out how to ask questions like these. You're going to the party tonight, aren't you? It's a lovely day today, isn't it? These are called tag questions. But first, let's watch the movie. Diane and Max are talking about the office party. Diane, who works in Human Resources, or HR, is organizing the party.
You are going to the office party this weekend, aren't you?
I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. Are you?
Yes. I'm on the planning committee. You should come. I just talked to Lisa from HR and we finalized all of the events. It's going to be fun.
That's good. The last party was horrible. There was nothing to do. What did you think of it?
Yeah, it was a disaster. I don't think anybody had a good time. But for this party, we have 2 bands coming. Have you heard of Wicked Soul?
Yeah. They're a pretty famous jazz and funk band. They aren't going to be there, are they?
Yes, and a salsa band, too. You are a good dancer, aren't you?
Well, not really, but I try. What else is going on?
First, the jazz band is going to play. After that, we'll have the buffet, and then there's going to be an awards ceremony. Next, we're going to hand out prizes and even give away a car.
You're kidding.
No! Finally, the salsa band is going to play, and then we're going to give away prizes to the best dancers.
Wow. This is beginning to sound exciting. It's okay if we bring someone, isn't it?
I think so. But I thought you were single. Who are you bringing?
Well, maybe my friend Jessica. She's a great dancer.
You should definitely come. It's going to be a great party.
This is a question from the movie. Listen and then repeat after me. You are going to the office party this weekend, aren't you? Your voice should go up at the end of the sentence. Let's look at something else that Max said.
It's okay if we bring someone, isn't it?
It's okay if we bring someone, isn't it? Have a look at that sentence. Isn't it is a tag question. It comes at the end of the question. How do we make the tag question? We use the opposite of the verb in the main question. It's okay, isn't it? It's is positive, so we use isn't it at the end to check if we are right. You are confirming the information. This time you do it. Make the sentences into a question. It's a nice day. What comes next to make it into a question? It's a nice day, isn't it? Jane will be here soon. Let's make that into a question. Jane will be here soon, won't she? Alex plays the piano. Alex plays the piano, doesn't he? The weather was better last year. The weather was better last year, wasn't it?
So what do you think? You think she likes me? Nah. Yeah? Sounds good. Yeah, I'm happy. We'll see.
But we're only dancing, aren't we?
Well done. You can now practice making tag questions like those, can't you? You are going to the office party this weekend, aren't you? I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you next time.